I love this new fridge, and I love this new facility at Mazda Fort Walton. I'm not even hungry. What am I doing?
Let's see where my sandwich is. Hey, Carl, what's this red tag sale about, man?
I don't know, man. All the new cars in inventory just marked all crazy like. There's people everywhere.
Oh, yeah?
Well, yeah, man.
Oh, well, we need to go outside then. What are we doing out
I
here?
don't know.
Hunter, have you heard about the free 55-inch TV they're giving away with every new car?
Actually, yeah.
Really?
Yeah.
That's crazy, man. Do you need mustard for your coffee?
I don't need mustard for my coffee, but I do need one of those 55-inch televisions, though.
I know that's right.